and China have accused each other of violating the airspace around the Japanese-controlled East China Sea islands, which Beijing also claims. Also, the latest territorial flap also came as both appeared to have warmer ties while seeking to mitigate damages from the US tariff war. Japan Foreign Ministry said that a statement that it lodged a very severe protest with the Beijing's after a Chinese helicopter took off from one of the China's 4 Coast Guard boats which had entered the Japan's territorial waters around the Senkaku Island. Also, the helicopter violated the Japanese airspace for about 15 minutes on Saturday, the ministry has said. The statement called the incident an intrusion also into the Japanese territorial airspace and urged the Chinese government to ensure preventive measures. Japan's self-defense force scrambled fighter jets in response, according to the defense ministry. China also protested to Tokyo over a Japanese civilian aircraft violating its airspace around the islands, saying it was strongly dissatisfied about Japan's severe violation of China's sovereignty and territorial integrity, according to the statement by the Chinese embassy in Japan late Saturday. Also, China Coast Guard said it immediately took necessary control measures against it in accordance with the law and dispatched a ship-borne helicopter to warn and drive away the Chinese aircraft. Also, Japanese officials are investigating a possible connection between the Chinese Coast Guard helicopter's airspace intrusion and the small Japanese civilian aircraft flying in the area around at the same time. Also, China routinely sends Coast Guard vessels and aircraft into waters and airspace surrounding the islands, while China calls the DIU to harass the Japanese vessels in the area, forcing Japan to quickly mobilize its jet. Also, Saturday's intrusion was the first by the China since a Chinese Recon aircraft violated the Japanese airspace of the southern prefecture of the Nagasaki in August. Also, Chinese aircraft have also violated the Japanese airspace around the Senkaku twice in the past.